Bienvenue. Welcome back to French class. Today we're learning essential shopping French. Everything you need to buy things, ask prices, and shop confidently in France. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to navigate markets, stores, and boutiques like a French local. You'll know how to ask for what you want, understand prices, negotiate, and complete purchases, all in perfect French. Why is shopping vocabulary so important? Because shopping is part of daily life when you visit France. Whether you're at a bakery, a clothing store, or a market, you need to communicate. And French shopping culture is unique. There are polite phrases you must use. Without them, you might seem rude. With them, you'll have wonderful interactions. Now, I know French shopping phrases can seem complicated. So many polite forms. But I'm going to show you exactly what to say in every situation. By the end, you'll shop in France with confidence and cultural awareness. Ready? Allons-y, let's go. All right, let's start with how to ask for things politely in French. In France, you must always greet before asking for anything. Very important. Hello, good day. Bonjour. Bonjour. Say this every time you enter a store. I would like, the most polite way to ask. Je voudrais. Je voudrais. I would like a baguette. Je voudrais une baguette. Je voudrais une baguette. Do you have? Vous avez? Vous avez? Or more formally, do you have croissants? Est-ce que vous avez des croissants? Est-ce que vous avez des croissants? Can I have? Je peux avoir? Je peux avoir? Can I have this? Je peux avoir ça? Je peux avoir ça? Please, always add this. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. I would like a coffee, please. Je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. Je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. How much does this cost? Combien ça coûte? Combien ça coûte? Or more formally, how much does it cost? Combien est-ce que ça coûte? Combien est-ce que ça coûte? How much is it? Simple version. C'est combien? C'est combien? It costs 5 euros. Ça coûte 5 euros. Ça coûte 5 euros. Now quantities. How to ask for amounts. I would like 2. Je voudrais 2. Je voudrais 2. I would like a kilo of apples. Je voudrais un kilo de pommes. Je voudrais un kilo de pommes. Half a kilo of cheese. Un demi-kilo de fromage. Un demi-kilo de fromage. A piece of cake. Un morceau de gâteau. Un morceau de gâteau. A bottle of water. Une bouteille d'eau. Une bouteille d'eau. A bag, please. Un sac, s'il vous plaît. What size is this? Quelle taille c'est? Quelle taille c'est? Do you have this in size medium? Vous avez ça en taille M? Vous avez ça en taille M? Small, medium, large. Petit, moyen, grand. Petit, moyen, grand. What colors do you have? Quelle couleur vous avez? Quelle couleur vous avez? Do you have this in blue? Vous avez ça en bleu? Vous avez ça en bleu? In black, in white, in red. En noir, en blanc, en rouge. En noir, en blanc, en rouge. Can I try this on? Je peux essayer ça? Je peux essayer ça? Where is the fitting room? Où est la cabine d'essayage? Où est la cabine d'essayage? It's too small. C'est trop petit. C'est trop petit. It's too big. C'est trop grand. C'est trop grand. It fits perfectly. Ça me va parfaitement. I'll take it. Je le prends. Je le prends. Or for feminine items, I'll take it. Je la prends. Je la prends. Where do I pay? Où est-ce que je paye? Où est-ce que je paye? Can I pay by card? Je peux payer par carte? Je peux payer par carte? Cash or card, they might ask. Espèce ou carte? Espèce ou carte? Here's my card. Voici ma carte. Voici ma carte. Do you have a receipt? Vous avez un reçu? Vous avez un reçu? Thank you. Goodbye. Merci, au revoir. Merci, au revoir. Have a good day. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Common mistake alert. Students forget to say bonjour when entering. In France, this is considered very rude. Always greet first, bonjour, before asking for anything. Another mistake, using tu instead of vous. In shops, always use vous. Let's practice a complete shopping conversation at a French bakery. Good morning. Bonjour. Good morning. Can I help you? Bonjour, je peux vous aider? Yes, I would like a baguette, please. Oui, je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît. Anything else? Autre chose? Do you have croissants? Vous avez des croissants? Yes, how many would you like? Oui, combien en voulez-vous? Two, please. How much is it? Deux, s'il vous plaît. C'est combien? That's €5.50. Ça fait €5.50. Here you are. Thank you. Voilà. Merci. Thank you. Goodbye. All right. Let's recap everything. Today you learned essential French shopping phrases. Always start with bonjour. Never forget this. Use je voudrais for polite requests. Ask combien ça coûte or c'est combien for prices. You learned quantities. 1 kilo de, 1 demi-kilo, un morceau, une bouteille. Sizes and colors. Quelle taille? En bleu, en noir. Trying things on. Je peux essayer. La cabine d'essayage. Payment phrases. Je le prends. Je peux payer par carte. Espèce ou carte. And always end with merci. Au revoir. Look at what you can do now. You can shop anywhere in France with perfect politeness. You know the cultural rules. Greet first. Use vous. Say s'il vous plaît. You can buy food, clothes, anything you need. French shopkeepers will appreciate your politeness. Your homework. Imagine shopping at a French store. Practice the complete conversation we learned. Say it out loud. Bonjour to au revoir. Then write 5 things you want to buy using je voudrais. Comment your shopping list in French below. Next class, we're learning French restaurant phrases, how to order food and drinks. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Excellent work. À bientôt. See you soon.